best pepper soup. On a bugisi, cricka pepper soup, pound one. I got my call to about that, call to Kuma Guma. Come in away, you sir. Hey,
drop that cutlass.
Go down. Go down. Hey.
Come here. The cutlass, eh?
Now
the only side Japala.
So
Now the only side Japala.
Shut up.
In fact, lie down. Lie down. You have the guts to walk in here and blab. Remove that your cap.
My cap.
Fast. Drop it on the floor. Drop it on the floor. Drop it. Lie down. Look at this coconut head. Shut up. Shut up. Now the only Saja Pal.
Someone I yell.
When they call the Saja Pal.
Someone I yell.
Shut up. There is no much difference between you and the gorilla. Shut up.
Please don't shoot him. Please drop the gun, please. Please drop the gun. If you kill him, you'll go to jail. There are no two ways about it. Please.
Animal. Run! Run! Look, run! Please, just drop it.
Please, my name is Fedred. I came to talk to you. Can we talk?
Are you saying your son has changed his mind because of that girl?
Yes. And I have tried my best to talk sense into him, but he wouldn't listen. He decided that the marriage plan should wait.
Oh, I told you that girl knows what she's doing. She has her plans. She's a bitch. Hey, Mama, you said it all. Eh? But I didn't know she would go this far.
What are you people saying?
Huh? Oh, nothing. Household matters. Well, Nani, since it's like this, I guess we have to take our leave now.
It's okay. Please. I would like you people to conclude yet. Don't conclude. Eh? He's still my son. I can still twist his neck towards the right direction, okay?
If you say so. Okay.
It's okay, thank you. Eh?
Oh, thank you,
Well, I came to you because I noticed you're the only one close to her. I need your assistance, please. I want to help her.
I don't understand. You want to help her?
Yes.
How?
Well, I believe you don't know what I am. I'm a medical doctor, a surgeon to be precise. Yeah, I can help her regain her sight.
Sorry, please. Say that again.
I can help her regain her sight.
You are a medical doctor?
Yes.
A surgeon?
Yes.
You can help her regain her sight?
Yes.
Like make her see again?
Yes.
Hey, my brother. My brother, you're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. Forgive my manners, eh? We have a soup, we have palm wine. What will I offer you?
No, don't.
In fact, don't worry, I'm coming. Hey! Medical doctor, surgeon. You can make her see again. Hey! Aseliana, please feel at home, man. Relax. Let me... one name. You're highly welcome. Forgive my manners. I'm not always like that.
Get out! Mama! I don't care if you're seeing or not.
Mama, please, no! Mama!
You must leave this house today, whether you like it or not. Then your one is Mama, if you don't leave this house, we will. I will kill you. Mama, please.
don't do this to me. What have I done to deserve this? Please, you're hurting me.
I'm hurting you.
Yes,
please. This is how I help. I'm hurting you.
Mama, please, what have I done? Mama, please, what have I done to deserve this?
Nonsense. Get out of my house. You're still standing here. Listen, just leave my son alone. You sit down your back. I'm going to burn it.
Mama, you're hurting.
I'm hurting you.
Son, you're back?
You see what I've been telling you? You see why I told you that it's not good for one to rush into marriage?
Son, what happened?
Well, I'm just coming back from your supposed in-laws' house. You need to see how they were humiliating that poor girl, calling her names. I mean, who does that?
You mean Agnes and her daughter?
Yes, Dad. That was so bad. I mean, who does that? I felt... It's okay.
calm down. Let's get inside and then do the remaining discussion, please. Calm down. Now you see what I was telling you.
So, you mean he's a surgeon and he will operate on my eyes?
Yes, so he's a surgeon and he will operate on your eyes.
Hey, this is good news, oh. But, are you sure it will work?
It will work, oh. My love, it will work. Let's stay positive about this. It will work. Now.
I don't have money. Who will?
No, he said he will take care of the bill.
He will?
I'm telling you. He even bought this for you.
Hey, what is it? What's that?
Toiletries.
It smells really nice.
You like it?
Yes. He's a good man though.
He just got sent.
He's a very good man. Oh, this is great news. This is great news.
Oh no. Things are gradually getting out of hand. I have this feeling that I'm going to lose Frederick.
Please. Please don't say such things. You're not going to lose him. Huh? I can't allow that.
Dear Mama, what are we going to do now?
You sent for me?
Yes, I sent for you. Do you still remember that, my son? Frederick, my son.
Frederick, the one that went to study medicine abroad.
You know him. Yes, you still remember him.
Yes, I do.
Well, he called and told me that he has graduated.
Already?
Yes.
Hey! Yeah. Wow.
And that he'll be coming home very soon.
Oh, that is good.
You can imagine.
You must be very proud of your son. You're now the father of a doctor. Not just any doctor, but the one trained abroad.
You can say that again.
That is good.
You know?
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Not only that, he said I should start looking for a good girl for him to marry as soon as he comes back.
I see.
Yes.
So have you found or are you still looking?
That is why I called you.
Okay.
I found a good thing in your place. I'm planning, if God permits and if you will, to hook the two of them together.
Mama, this is why you are happy this morning. What is this now? Tell me.
Why wouldn't I be happy? Something is about to happen to us. Something good.
Mama, what is that? Mama, yes, tell me now.
Okay, listen. This morning, Mas Ignatius sent for me. I went there and he told me that his son Frederick, who has been studying medicine abroad, has graduated. And that he's coming home to find a wife. And guess who this wife is going to be?
Mama, who?
My own lovely daughter, Ako.
Mama.
Mama,
are you joking with me?
Joking what? Hey, Ako.
Mama,
better go and get ready because you're going abroad with that man.
Mama? You mean I am going to be a wife to a medical doctor?
Look at this girl. I said something is about to happen.
Mama,
I am saying.
Then I will now travel abroad with him.
Oh.
Like, I'm going abroad, Mama.
Yes, now.
And get Mama, don't you go?
His wife. Hey! Allow me. Hey! Mother-in-law to a doctor.
Yes.
Ask him, do you know any doctors? If I yes, Dr. Frederick.
Hey!
Hey! Mother-in-law to a doctor. I just say I'm on a doctor, myself, Dr. Frederick. Hey! Dr. Frederick.
I have a feeling that this is no more a physical war, but a spiritual war. We're going to go into a spiritual warfare.
Mama, you're confusing me. I don't understand.
Come with me.
Dad, Are you saying that all this girl needs, I mean the blind girl, that all she needs is surgery? And that's it?
Yes, Dad.
She will see again afterwards?
Well, I practically believe that with the help of my colleagues, she will gain her sight again.
Well, that's good. That's very good.
Thanks, Dad.
Frederick.
Dad.
What about the bill? I mean, I know it is going to cost a fortune. So how is she going to come about the money to pay the bill?
Well, as a matter of fact, I'm also taking charge of that.
Frederick!
Dad.
You really want to help this girl?
And I'm not going to stop until I do that.
All this for me?
Yes, sir. This is a new powder, eh? I'm sure it will be nice on your face.
The man is a very good man, though.
God sent, can I?
Hey.
God sent.
Hey. All this for me. All this for me. All this for me. Hey! Good man. Thank you.
Fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
I say fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
I say fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
I say fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
Fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
Fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
Stop! What's the meaning of this nonsense, eh? What's the meaning of this madness? Stop now!
You do not understand because you're already bewitched. All I am trying to do here is to save you. And when your eyes open, you will see that you're dealing with a witch.
Fire!
Oh, Mama.
Fire!
What?
Continue. You're attacking the thing.
Fire!
Fire, fire them!
Where are you people going? Fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
Fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
Fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
Fire! Fire!
Fire her more, her face!
Fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
Fire!
Fire, fire them!
Look at her eyes. What that guy is really a witch. Did you see the way he was rubbing the powder on her cheeks? Check on them, check on them. If that girl could see, she will run away from us.
No, we're not done with her. We're ready for her. This is just the beginning.
We should follow them.
Yes.
But you know, Olisa, they're quite powerful. You think we should go?
Mama, are you scared?
Lead the way
No,
now.
remember.
Oh, Momoli, lead the way.
Fire, fire them!
Fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
I said fire! Fire!
Fire, fire them!
Get you true love. Your fame can't get you true love. Your wealth can't true love, oh true love comes from the eye.
Mama, that was Fredo and that witch of a girl. Where is he taking her to?
If you ask me, how would I know? I'll go and ask Oga Ignatius. I'm sure he will give me an idea of where they are going. I'm going there now.
Hey,
shut.
Mama. Where are you going?
Even if you have the fame, even if you have the wealth, even if you have all it takes to get the love, but true love conquers everything. True love is not what money can buy. I love you, oh no.
Mas Ignatius! Mas Ignatius! Mas Ignatius!
Oh, is that?
Mazi!
I'm coming.
Oh, Mazi! Mazi!
Agnes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Nani, I came to find out what is going on. I mean, I've not heard from you nor your son. And besides, your son is getting close to that blind girl.
Agnes, did I not tell you my son's decision concerning that marriage plans?
Yes, you did, but I don't get it. I mean, he came to my house and took that blind girl away. He didn't even say where he's taking her to.
Very good. Well spoken. He came to your house, took the blind girl and went out. You don't know where she is. Why didn't you ask him then? He came to your place, you didn't ask him questions. You're coming back to ask me. Did I come to your place?
You mean you don't know what is going on?
Agnes, my son is in a better position to tell you what he's up to. If you wouldn't mind, please, I am busy over there. I just heard somebody's voice and I came out. Excuse me.
After sweeping and cleaning. Okay,
I took a necklace from the person that did it, just that I cannot find it.
Olisa! 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 Come, let's go now before we lose our customers. You know you will still prepare the soup today. Listen, let's go. I'm sorry, guys. Let's go. I like this. Wait.
Did you see? Where is your necklace? Your necklace, where is it?
Okay, my necklace. I removed it.
You removed it?
Yes.
Unlike you, why?
It's not my necklace. I can remove the anytime I want. No, not for you. And why are you so inquisitive about it?
Barrister Mama, don't be angry. Let's go.
Why are you shouting my name? Will you shut up? What is your necklace doing in Chibugo's house? What is your necklace doing in Chibugo's house?
What's
this is not my necklace.
The shouting and the necklace issue about?
Mama, the person that raped Chibugo forgot this necklace in her house. That simply means that the owner of this necklace was responsible for that rape.
Are you trying to say your brother raped her?
Yes! Mama, don't mind him. This is not my necklace. I know my necklace when I see it. This is not my necklace now. This is not my necklace. Mama, okay. To me. Mama, take a good look at this. Take a good look at this. Take a good look at this and tell me.
Now, this looks like your necklace.
Mama, it's not my necklace now. Mama, don't you know my necklace again?
Mama,
okay.
What the one?
It's not a necklace. It's not my necklace now. Fine and good. Ask him, where is your necklace? Tell us, where is your necklace? Mama, this is not my necklace. I know my necklace. I know my necklace. This is not my necklace.
Polisa, don't say things like that. Do you understand the magnitude of what you're saying?
Stop making me look stupid. I know what I'm saying. Listen, I swear, only the truth can set you free. Only the truth can set you free. Olisa, this necklace does not belong to me. I know my necklace now. I know my necklace. This is not your necklace. I'm coming. Mama, this is not my necklace.
Shut up.
I know my necklace now. I know my necklace.
Oh yeah. Hey, Mama. Hold in now.
I swear, if you don't say the truth, I will blow your head off.
Only this is your only brother. You can't kill your only brother now.
Speak!
Eh?
Speak! 1. Before the count of 3, I swear I will blow your head off. Say the truth. Did you rape the love of my life? Yes or no? Mama? 1, 2. Okay, I will talk. Huh? Mama? Olisa, you're out already. So you're filming your face. Oh, your trap got nothing. It's not funny. It's not funny at all. How am I supposed to do today's business without bushmeat? It's because you went the wrong side of the forest. Where I'm coming from, I saw a lot of animals. See, when I was on top, I saw a lot of them. I saw grass cutter, I saw antelope, I saw a lot of them. Are you serious? I'm serious. I can show you if you want to. Come on, show me. All right, let's go.
Hey! Look at everybody, come and see my beautiful sister.
Achalugo Echezona. Because of her, I will be a surgeon in this village. Chineke, see how beautiful you are looking.
Hey. Thank you, Echezona. You know it is all you're doing.
Hey. Well, I'm only doing my duty, performing my duty to my lovely sister. Sister, I'm off to the farm. Let me go and do some small jobs and come back.
I want to go with you.
Hey, Mbano, sister. Sister, See, sister. The farm is not meant for people like you. You see this your fine skin? I don't want any scratch at all. So just stay. Let me go and come back. Don't waste time now.
Chesena, you always say this and you leave me in the house alone. It's very boring here. I'll just go there and sit down. I will not walk or become.
Sister, I'm just going there to have a small yam that we'll eat. That's why I'm not going there to clear or to do any big job.
Chesena, I will just follow you. I just want to sit down there.
Hey, whoa. I will teach you about the Sirugi. I smile for me. Hey! Didn't you see that smiles make you look more beautiful?
So that everybody in the whole village will know that my sister is a beautiful woman. In the whole world. Don't worry, yeah? Let's go. Yeah? Okay. Let me carry my whole well. Okay. This one. No, don't worry. Let me bring it for you. Okay. Hold it. Stand up. Nemo. My only...
Here we are. This is a part of the forest that is full with animals. You go inside like this, you cut like this. Kill as many as you want. Are you sure? Here. Are you sure? I'm very sure now. Are you sure? Yeah. Police, I'll go and kill. Go and kill as many as you want. Thank you very much. Be careful, oh. Thank you. Let me go and take my own distance. Be careful, oh.
I don't like the fact that you followed me to this farm today. See how beautiful you're looking. I didn't do this makeup for you to follow me to come and harvest yam. Just yam that I want to harvest. Am I running away?
Don't worry, I'm not complaining. Oh, I'm not complaining.
Omale-chan. Okay, wait here. Let me get something for you to sit down with. Yeah?
Okay.
Just stand here, yeah?
Okay.
See your stick, yeah? Just wait for me here, yeah?
Okay.
Let me harvest the yam and we'll start going.
Okay.
Yeah? Don't be afraid, though.
No problem.
I'm here, I'm not too far.
No problem. I'll wait for you. Take care.
What am I seeing? A man-made or a spirit?
Who is there? Who is there? Echezona, is that you?
Whichever she is, she's so beautiful. Huh? She's blind. Hey, she's blind. Hey.
Echezona.
Hello, beautiful angel. What are you doing here all alone by the road?
I'm waiting for my brother. He said he will soon be here. Who are you?
You see, my name is EBERE Dikeh, the only successful and young palm wine tapper in this village. And you?
I am Chibugo Okoye.
Chibugo Okoye. Chibugo Okoye. Chibugo Okoye. Is it Chibugo? You are the most beautiful girl I have ever seen in my life.
Hey. Don't smile yet. Don't just smile. The bushmeat is mine.
Really?
But I just killed it. Are you blind? I shot it first. Can't you see the bullet wound? But this farm is mine. You can't just go hunting on people's farm and claim the meat is yours. The farm is yours. Is the bushmeat yours? My friend, let me have my bushmeat.
No way.
Listen, I can be very, very dangerous when I'm angry. Let me have my bushmeat. Nyam!
Lemia.
Huh?
It's not possible. I killed this bushmeat and it's mine.
Listen, young man. I can be very, very dangerous when I'm angry. Let me have that bushmeat.
Mamia, I killed this bushmeat in my farm. I will give it to you.
I like you, you're brave. My zone, yeah. You're brave. But having said that, I need that bushmeat for my business. So please, let's not fight over it. Give it to me. Huh? Make it zbomad. Make it zbomad. Just make it zbomad. Chai, you can have it. It's zbomad. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Nice one. What's your name?
My name is Echezona Okoye.
Echezona Okoye. Are you from this village?
Yes, I'm from here.
Nice. Thank you very much.
Okay. Oh, I left my sister out there alone, so let me just rush and meet up with her.
Okay.
All right. Good luck with your plan.
I'm sorry, excuse me.
Wow, I really like you. You're so funny.
Really?
Yes.
Did you just say you like it?
Yes, I did.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
What are you doing here? Sister?
Echezona.
Brother, who is she? Yes. I saw this beautiful lady sitting all alone, so I decided to keep her company while we wait for her brother.
Okay.
Yes. She's beautiful.
Yeah, she is.
Yes, she's really beautiful.
Look, I got this.
Yeah, I told you, see? You see, I told you now.
Nice location.
That means you give me one plate. Huh? Is he your brother?
Yes.
Are you serious? Nice to meet you too, brother. Yes. You two know yourself?
Yes.
Yeah, he's my brother. Oh, okay. I met him inside.
Ah.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Stand up.
See, your sister here told me how you used to leave her all alone in the house. Anytime you're going to lesson or to the farm. So I said, I decided as a good man and also the only successful Pan tapper in this village, I decided you should be bringing her to our joint. Anytime you are back, you come and pick her.
That's not a bad idea.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, where is the joint?
Don't worry, we'll show you people. We'll show you there.
Like
all right. Let's go. I like it. Let's go. So I will show you there.
Oh, boy. Can't ever. Let's go. Come like this.
I'm wire. Don't worry. Hey. This
I see. Here is the place.
You people are welcome.
Thank you. Our shop, this is the place. We own the shop, our joint.
Sure.
You can always bring her here.
Hey. This place is fine now. And it's even close to my Nigerian Wrestling Center here. Yes. I can always bring her to this place.
Yes.
And I hope she'll be fine if I bring her.
No, bro. You have nothing to worry about. Trust me, we'll always take good care of her.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sister, hope you like the idea.
Of course I do. It's better than staying lonely in that house. I'm very happy.
It's alright, It's alright. Don't worry, I'll start bringing her from tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome anytime, any day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, let's offer you something.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. I have to rush back home so that I'll prepare this yam I want to bring so that she will eat.
Yeah, one name.
We are both hungry.
Okay.
All right.
No problem.
Thank you. So once again, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Sister, let's go. We have to be on our way now.
Okay.
Why, Yoma, take care.
Alright, thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi.
Please take good care of her, please.
I will.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Hold her well, though.
Yeah, it's loud.
What a beautiful blind girl.
She's so beautiful. That is what caught my attention. Hey, the food is another one.
My dear, are you aware that you are the most beautiful girl in this village?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm telling you. Forget that you are blind. If you can see, most of the girls around here are even ugly.
Thank you.
What is going on here?
Ibekwe, you are back.
Oh,
welcome.
Is that you? You're welcome.
Join us. Huh? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Drink, huh?
I hope all is well. Well, Ibekwe.
Ibekwe?
Yes, I hope all is well.
No, Ibekwe is fine. He's just hungry. Ibekwe can eat for Africa. Hey! Ibekwe, he's always hungry. He can finish like 6-7 plates of food. So I'm sure he's just hungry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. As I was saying. What is it?
Nothing. I just try to want to know whether
my friend dropped that.
Yeah. Olisa, what is going on? Where is our customers? Why are they not coming? Huh? What is happening? What is happening today? I'm having these feelings that today's business will not go well.
Ibekwe. Ibekwe. The thunder that will fire you will come from Amadioha's shrine. What's your problem? If they have sent you, tell them I'm not available. It's too early to complain.
Why would I complain? Olisa, why won't I complain since I know the problem is from you?
Are you serious? So
yes, now.
How?
Let's put this way. Assuming now you sold one pepper soup, at least that person now will not ask me for one bottle of palm wine. I will be selling my own too.
Ibeko, you are just lazy. You are just lazy, very, very lazy. Yes. Must you depend on my pepper soup to sell your palm wine? Must you? Hustle, hawk. Yes, hawk.
Right, like. So wait, Olisa, I should go and hawk.
Before uncle.
Me, Ibekwe one called Dikeh. The only successful and the young palm wine pepper in this village. I should go and hawk palm wine. It's not possible. I cannot hawk palm wine. Instead of me hawking the palm wine, I will drink everything and finish it and go home and sleep.
Now I know why you started this conversation, my friend. Like, listen. Don't touch any palm wine here. Are you listening?
Wait, are you dragging my palm wine?
It's not your palm wine, it's our palm wine. It's family business.
I don't like this thing now. Allow me to drink now. Allow me to drink now.
Be careful.
No customer, they are not coming. So allow me to drink.
You want to drink? You want
I will drink this. I will drink this. I will drink it.
I used to be.
It's not my palm wine.
Go on,
drink it.
No matter, it's not no. Come on,
I will drink it.
Hey, the love of my life is here.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, my love.
My love, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, yeah.
How are you doing today?
I'm alright, you're welcome. Let's go, man. Welcome. It's fun, see. It's easy. Hello, please sit, yeah. It's so much. You're welcome.
Plus, I have to be on my way now.
Relax. You're always in a hurry. Relax.
I'm going for jam lessons.
Forget that your jam. Listen, take a glass of palm wine. One for the road. I insist. I'm coming now, Ezubo mother. Okay. Hi, my man.
Just one glass.
Enjoy, my brother. We are one. And how are you?
I'm fine.
Ezubo mother.
I hope you're fine.
I'm blessed. No.
Thank you.
Because this is sweet though.
You know how I roll now? Raw. Yeah. Let me go with this one. Take away.
I should go with this one.
Enjoy. Take away.
Yeah,
one.
Sister, Take care, yeah?
Alright, okay.
I'll come back on time.
Okay.
Give me take away.
Okay. Alright.
Thank you.
Okay. Take care of yourself, Inugo.
No problem.
Okay.
I'm going for lesson. I thought I would be a soldier. I just forgot.
Yes, alright. Bye bye.
Okay. Chai, where are we starting from today? Wish me that. So, out of jealousy, you had the guts to rape the love of my life that led to the death of her only brother. Ibekwe, you're no longer my blood. Mandinka.
What? Please,
I'm the only brother. I'm the only brother. I'm the only brother, please. Mandinka. Please. Like I said, I'm not here to fight. I come in peace.
With gun.
The gun is not for you. In fact, I'm here to apologize. I'm sorry for accusing you wrongly. Yes, I did. The person that raped the love of my life has finally been exposed. I'm sorry. Forgive me, please.
Anyway, it's not your fault. If I hadn't done what I did, you wouldn't have accused me. It's my fault. I forgive you as well.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your understanding.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
But who is behind that?
Don't worry, I'm taking care of him.
But I would like to know the person.
Once again, thanks for forgiving me. I'll see you later.
Hey. The man is Palizu. Go.
My only brother is dead. My only brother is dead. I am standing at the middle of the road.
Sister, what are you doing? What is it now? You want to hurt yourself? You put your hand in the fire.
The food is burning and I decided to help you.
Let the food burn, sister. It's better the food burns than seeing you hurt yourself.
I hope the food has not completely burnt. Before going for your jam lessons.
Sister, don't worry about me. Okay? I can take care of myself. Yeah? Are you
sure?
Yes, I'm fine. Let it burn. Eh? Come, let's go inside. Oh? Name Jojo today. Cham. Yeah, come. You know you're my only sister. Eh? Name me you where my G. Don't worry, don't come and go inside. Don't worry, I will take care of it, even if it burns. Yeah? Now my sister is the most beautiful girl in the whole village. Did I say village? In the whole world!
You have started teasing me again.
Teasing you? How can I tease you? Don't you know your name? Chibugum. Do you know what Ugo is? Ugo is the most beautiful bird. Yes, that is what you are. You see, with this your beauty, if Olisa sees you, I'm sure he will not let you go. Yes.
Echezona, are you there?
Sister, I'm here. I'm here.
Echezona, don't tell me you're crying again. You know how it hurts me whenever you're crying, eh? It's not our fault that I'm like this. Only God knows the reason.
Sister, I can't help it anymore. I can't help it. Look at you. Look at us. Hey, God. Sister, I'm not crying again. I'm not. See ya, sister. Sister, I've stopped crying. I've stopped. I'm not crying again. Sister, I promise I'm going to study hard. I will study so hard to become an optician. And once I become an optician, you will be the first person I will operate on. And by God's grace, you will retain your sight. You will regain your sight.
You have said that several times. And I believe you, oh?
My sister, I will never stop promising you. And by God's grace, I will fulfill the promise.
Stop crying. Stop crying, okay? Hey, Chizona, stop crying.
Okay, sister. Okay. Okay, sister, let's go. Just wait for me. Let me put this inside. Yeah?
Okay.
Keep inside. Finished making this hair.
Chizona, the way you're making my hair, I know that you want me to look very beautiful.
Yes.
And I love it.
You see, now that I've finished my exams, I don't have anything that is keeping me, that is taking my time. So I will have enough time to take care of you and make sure you look beautiful and happy as usual.
I don't know what I would have done without you, my brother. You're my sweet brother. God will bless you for me. Chukwu goziegi, oh?
Hey, my sweet sister. I don't also know what I would have done without you. There's like someone is knocking. We have a visitor. Please. Tell my sister what you told me outside.
Madam, my name is Dee. I'm from the scholarship board of the local government. Okay? Yes. Your brother has won scholarship for himself. I'm coming. State government has awarded him scholarship to study any course of his choice at the university.
My brother! Scholarship!
Yes.
Thank God! Oh, Chuguna, thank you! I thank you!
It's alright. Congrats once again. Thank you. Please, there's no time to waste. You have to follow me to the office to sign some necessary.
Hey.
I will do that.
God, I thank you.
Yes, thank
you. God, I thank you.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Hey,
we are proud of you.
Thank you,
We are proud of you. Okay?
Sister, sit down. Sit down here. Sit down.
Hey, scholarship.
Yes.
My brother. Scholarship. Scholarship. My brother.
Hey, sister. Hey, so I will study any course of my choice.
Of your any invite from BAc to PhD. Any.
Okay. Sister, I have to be strong. Should I take you inside?
Okay.
Okay, let me take you inside while. Yes, take you inside.
Okay.
Hey, sister. to you?
I just don't know. I was raped! I have been devoured!
How?
I am finished now!
By who? When?
I just don't know. It happened a few minutes after you left! Don't stop it!
Hey! No! No! You don't need to tell me! I know who did this! I know! That useless herbalist! That he got! Okay?
Wait! I don't think it's the one! Wait!
You don't think it's the one? I am coming back with his head. So he had the guts to come when I'm not around. To come and rape you. Because he feels you are helpless. Eh? That he got of a herbalist. Wait for me.
My only brother is dead. My only brother is dead. I am standing at the middle of the road.
Brother. He was my guardian angel. So loving and caring. His greatest wish was to become a surgeon and to help me regain my sight. But on the day he was awarded scholarship to study medicine and surgery, death took him away from me. Wherever you are, I want you to know that I've regained my sight. And I'll never forget you. Never.
I'm sorry. Please stop crying, okay? I believe whoever he is happy. At least his greatest wish has been accomplished. Sorry.
Sorry.
My brother, you mean Chibugo can now see?
Yes.
Jesus is Lord. You mean the love of my life can now see?
You can just go and confirm things yourself.
Oh, you are the best. God, thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are the best doctor. Thank you very, very much.
Alright, I just came to inform you the good news.
You know what? I will spoil you today. We're going to my joint. I swear, I will be back there. I will kill one goat for you.
Don't worry, just go and see her first, some other time.
Okay, where is she?
She's at home now.
Thank you very much, so thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Wow. You're just as handsome as I imagined.
How did you know I'm the one? I didn't even say a word.
Even without seeing you, I can feel your presence. And in your eyes, I can see how good you've been, my love.
I can't find the right words to express how I feel. So finally you can see.
Yes, I can. Yes.
Finally you can see.
Yes.
I love you, oh no. I love you, if more. I love you, on you will know me. If more, I'll be there for you.
Son.
Dad.
Now you are talking. Eh? For once you can make smiles come on my face. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Dad.
But you could have told me all this while that you wanted to help that girl, so to end up marrying her. I would have given you all my support from the beginning.
No, Dad. I didn't really have those feelings until now. You know, feelings is a gradual process. I love her so very much. I just realized it.
This is great. That's good. That's good. Go ahead and choose whosoever your heart desires. But one thing I will beg you for. One thing. I want to see my grandchildren.
Of course you will, Dad. I'm just worried about Olisa. How will he take this?
Who is Olisa? Who is Olisa? I've always told you to have that heart of a lion. Who is he? It is left for this girl to make her choice. Eh? And certainly you know she will surely choose you. Surely. You have done for her what no man on earth could have done it for her. So what more? I told you, the goats go after he that bears the palm fronds. Eh?
Thank you so much, Dad, for your support.
You are blessed.
Thank you, Dad.
Blessed.
Thank you.
Blessed.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you, sir. Let me get you a seat.
Hey, don't worry, okay? Don't worry, I'll just go straight to the point.
Okay, sir.
Chubuko, I like you so very much. And I would like to marry you. Please, will you marry me? Just marry me and make me happy. I understand it's all about Olisa, but the choice is yours. Just marry me and everything will be perfect with us. Chibiko, I like you so very much and I want to go back to the States with you. Please marry me.
What do you want here again? What do you want here? Eh? Can't you understand that you're no longer welcome here?
Mazi, you promised me. You assured me that your son was going to marry my...
I equally told you that my son changed his mind after he saw what you and your daughter did to that poor blind girl. Yes.
Mazi, what my daughter and I did is really bad. And we're truly sorry for it. And that's why I've come to apologize. Mazi, we're really sorry. Please, just forgive us. Just find it in your heart to forgive us. Because Bayalo, it's the devil. I'm not like that. In short, I'm even surprised at myself treating that girl like that. A poor blind girl. Hey, God forgive me. Mazi, I'm sorry, please. If God can forgive us, you too can forgive us now. Biko Bayalo. Mazi, Biko Bayalo. Biko. So your son will finally marry that girl?
Yes, of course. My son would have married your daughter if the both of you had behaved yourselves.
Well, I guess we've lost out, and I've learnt a great lesson.
Fred. Where is your car?
I parked it outside, Dad.
How did it go? Why is your face like this? How did it go? Tell me, any problem?
Dad, could you believe that she turned me down?
What?
Just because of Olisa. After all I did for her.
Hi! How would she do a thing like that? How would she turn you down? How would she choose Olisa, of all people? For what? When she knows you have everything she needs in life.
You know what, Dad? I'll talk to you later, please.
Come back here. Where are you going to? Fred. Hi. Well, Agnes, I think your daughter still has every chance. You should not lose hope. We have not lost the battle. So she may still win the love of my son. Okay? Only she should change. She should change, as you said. Let it be. Agnes. Agnes.
Yes.
I'm talking to you.
I heard what you said, Nna. Yes. Yes, my daughter has changed. She's a changed girl. All things have passed away.
It's all right.
Yes, she's a changed girl.
It's all right. I will talk to my son, okay?
Please do, Mas.
Chibugo. Chi?
Yes, sir. Hi, love. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. How are you?
Hi.
I brought this for you.
Really?
Yeah.
This for me?
Yes, sir.
This is great. This is great.
Guess what?
What?
I will prepare it here now for you.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I can't wait to see you prepare this. This is lovely. I'm so excited.
Don't worry, I will teach you.
Okay, there.
It's even pregnant.
It's pregnant?
Yes, sir.
I can't believe she turned down the doctor just to be with your poor brother.
Mama, it still baffles me. Mama, this is an example of true love. It really shows that girl is in love with my brother.
We have been wrong about her. You've been wicked and nasty to that young girl. As if that wasn't enough. That useless drunkard brother of yours raped her. And that was what led to her brother's death. We made life miserable for her.
Mama, can we ever amend all that we did to her?
My daughter, I just hope we can.
Okay. Poor girl.
What? That I will never get married to that girl. Never!
Calm down, my son. Calm down. She's no longer what you think she was. That girl has changed. Please, whatever she did, forgive her. Just get married to her. I promise you.
Dad, why are you trying to force me to get married to this girl? Why?
Frederick, it is because I am your father. Because you are my only son. Am I getting younger or older? Son, I'm not getting younger. I need to see my grandchildren. I need to see my grandsons and daughters before I die.
That I'll get married when the time is right.
And when do you think that the time is right? When is the time right? Are you God? Are you God?
I'll get married, Dad, when I find the perfect woman. Good night.
Frederick! You want that from me? It's okay. It's alright. We shall see.
Greetings, Mama.
Hey! Holy boy! Chibugo. None. Mada! Oma, bring the something. Bring it out. Hurry up now or see. Oh, Mama.
Mama, I don't understand. Are you okay?
I'm okay, Oli. I'm okay. Hurry up. One boss is up. Oli, I cooked this food for you. Your special dish. And go now. I know you will enjoy it.
Hey, Mama.
Oli.
What is going on here? The last time I checked, you stopped me from eating in this house.
Hi.
So why the sudden change? Are the home safe?
I did that. Okay. Please, you're safe. People forgive me. I know lately I've been very nasty to you. I've did a lot of bad things to you. Manoli, so glad. There will be no forgiveness. We have sinned against you, Namo. Only boy, Okwane Buluinya Yala. And hi, Chibugo. Such a lovely name. Ada Fukwanugo Kwada. Forgive me, please. For all the abuse, the beating, name calling, and even making you cry like a dog. Because forgive me. It will never happen again. Because Chibugo, please. We are sorry. I am very sorry. I feel so ashamed of myself when I heard how you rejected my fiancé's proposal. A man that means the whole world to me. My pride. My prestige. You refused him even with all he's got to offer just to be with my brother. It means you truly love my brother. Yes, you.
I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry for everything. I am sorry. It will never happen again. I promise. We promise to make amends.
We have become new leaves. Should I lie on the floor?
Sorry. Sorry.
Only on the Nani.
Brother, please beg her for us.
Because you know, no one can dinner. Nam Ugo.
It's okay.
Hey! Mwabukwanezi wa mmadu. Isimkunyoli. Hey! Ugo, you have beautiful eyes, oh.
My brother's wife.
Oh, my daughter. Sit down, sit down. Special. Fufu. I pounded it myself. This girl has no energy. But I first I didn't if you get that in our life. You see a pussy at the end. All the back and mess soon, Welly.
You sent for us.
Yes, I did. I actually wanted to tell you that my son traveled abroad. Yes, he has traveled. And he said he cannot marry your daughter.
Chibugum. Oh.
You're here.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Chibugo, please, will you marry me?
I'm sorry, but no.
What? Why? Why?
Because I've already accepted even before you asked.
You scared the daylight out of me.
Oh, yes, sweetie.
Thank you very much.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You like it?
Yes, I love it. It's so beautiful. This is beautiful. And what do we have?
I'm sorry. Maurice, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please. I'm sorry. I know I caused it. Please forgive me. Maurice, please. Please. Yeah, your brother. Please forgive me.
I have forgiven you. I have forgiven you.
Thank you.
Now tell me.
Thank you.
Where have you been?
chimo, chimo, akwari jula mobio. Oyeka yabakuru, mpama ugo, nema ugo. My only brother is dead. My only brother is dead. I am standing at the middle